Hi Scorpio, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and wish you all a very, very happy Valentine's Day. Scorpio, I promised you a bonus on Valentine's Day. Here it is. Today we're going to check on to your partner's energy and see what are their hidden feelings. If they could say something to you, what that would be. How they're really feeling today. Whether you guys are together or apart, doesn't matter. But sometimes there are things that you want to say which you don't say, right? So let's see what's really going on in their heart space. So, Scorpio, today we will not be taking out an angel blessing card because I've already taken one out for you. This is from the universe, my angels, and me to you. Happy Valentine's Day, Scorpio. So let's begin. Just a small little 3 card spread to see what's going on, and then we'll do some clarifications and some dialogue messages. Scorpio's person spirit. My angel spirit guides, bless this reading for Scorpio and send them the messages from their person. Thank you. So let's begin. The High Priestess, bottom of my spread. Scorpio, are you guys in silence right now? Keeping secrets from each other? The Devil, 2 of Pentacles, and the 5 of Cups. Yes, somebody is obsessed about you, Scorpio, it seems. They're going back and forth in their mind as to how to kind of maybe get you back. Maybe something happened in the recent past, and they're having a lot of regret for that. So let's see what this is all about. The Devil spirit. Devil. They're very worried their family structure, will not materialize. They want to take a fresh leap of faith. They want to start anew with you. They're not happy about the way things have maybe gone down. Maybe there was a fight or something happened here which has kind of disrupted this beautiful connection here, and they're really wishing and hoping and obsessing about the fact of how they want to re-begin with you. They want to jump off that cliff with you and start a brand new chapter, I think. So what's this 2 of Pentacles then? 2 of Pentacles. They're not sure whether you're going to agree here, Scorpio. This person is very, very restless about you. They are wondering whether if they do offer you, will you agree? Do you also feel the same passion for them? If they offer you some kind of a commitment, will you even agree to, saying yes to them? So they're trying to think of ways and means to kind of get to you. They're trying to uncover secrets. They wanting to know the truth, basically. They are really, really trying to know what's in your heart space. So, but right now I do see this person having a lot of sadness, a lot of regret, and about the way things, yes, something got disrupted in the past here, Scorpio. And because of that, this person is always thinking about how maybe you walked away from their life. Look at this. This person is in regret because their stability got rocked after maybe you walked away from their life. So maybe there is no talking right now, Scorpio, but let's see what. Yes, they definitely want a rebirth. They want a rebirth of this connection. They want you to return, and but maybe they don't know how to show their emotions at the moment. So let's see what's really going on in their heart space, Scorpio. Messages from the heart spirit for Scorpio. One, 2, and 3. Thank you. I really need your warmth and affection. Yes, they are really, really missing you, and they're very worried that if they come towards you, you may not even accept them now. So yes, they are really missing you, Scorpio. They really need you. They need your warmth. They need the nurturing qualities which this Queen of Pentacles embodies: loving, nurturing, kind, taking care of them. But right now, they fear that you're not available or you won't agree to them. We see this from 2 different perspectives. Maybe you guys had a fight or something where you stuck to your ground and they feel they were right and you feel you were right. So they're trying to justify whatever went wrong because actually they do have a lot of regret for the way things have not worked out between the two of you. I see my future with you. Like I said, they really, really want to take this fresh leap of faith and start something anew with you. They are obsessed thinking about you all the time. They keep going back and forth in their mind thinking, what should I do? What should I do to have this rebirth after somebody has walked away from this equation? Let's see what the divine masculine in this equation would like to say to the feminine here. Divine masculine to the feminine. Masculine to the feminine in this equation, Spirit. I have a hard time focusing on you. I'm trying to build an empire. Maybe this person has been very money-minded, or their material aspects have been very important to them, and they never paid attention to you when you were in their life, and now they have regrets about that. I know I have narcissistic tendencies, but I'm not one. I developed these traits to protect myself. Their own insecurities, or they maybe had childhood trauma, they started to behave like a dictator, maybe, like a narcissist. They say, yes, I know I behave in a very bad manner, but it's not the real me. I just behave like that because I want to keep myself protected at all times. Let's see what the divine feminine would like to say to their masculine now. I had put you on a pedestal and made myself small. That's what the feminine did. She always gave, the masculine was behaving like a narcissist, and to keep peace in the relationship, I think the feminine lost her confidence and started putting the masculine up on a pedestal, and finally realizing that, what am I doing? I might as well walk away and find myself now. You're not the only one that's scared. This connection scares me too. Maybe because you people have been having constant fights. Let's take a true confession as well and see what this masculine would like to say to this feminine now. Secretly doing things behind your back. One more. This lifetime didn't work out. Hopefully, I can do better next lifetime. So that's what this person is saying. On one hand, they're saying, yes, I admit I didn't do things right. On the other hand, they're trying to say, I want to make things right between us. So they're fluctuating big time. Maybe they don't believe they can put it right at this time. Maybe they've messed up very badly here, Scorpio. I'm sorry if this is your reading, but this is what is out for you today. I hope it worked for some of you to get clarity onto how this person truly feels about you. So that's all I have for you. Have a beautiful day. Love and light. Take care. Namaste.